Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I just want to thank everybody who have subscribed to the channel, and I also would like to thank all those who drop by to watch the videos. I appreciate it very much. So now on to the video. Tonight what we're going to do is we're going to change Kodi's skin, and I'm going to make a few videos on Aeon Nox and various things that you can do with it. But let's start with the skin change. So if you want to change your skin in Kodi from the estuary skin, just click the gears here and go down to interface. From there we're going to go and hit skin, and I have Aeon Nox already installed. If you don't, you would have get more and you'd see a list of skins that you haven't installed yet. So you're going to want to say yes to keep the change. And there we go. So just back out until you're at the very first screen, and this is how Aeon Nox looks now. I will show you what it will look like after I make a few videos. So today we're going to do two things. We are going to change where this bar is on the desktop. So we're going to do that by going into skin settings. Once we're in this menu, we now want to click on Aeon Nox main menu vertical position, and we're going to set it to low. Let's see what we've got. So you can see that the vertical position is at the bottom. Now I'm going to show you an easy way to get rid of tabs within the program. There's a lot here I don't use, so I'm just going to remove them. And we do that by going back into Skin Settings. We go to Set up Aeon Nox main menu, and I am taking out Live TV. I don't have a PVR to use it. I am also going to take out games, and I'm going to take out concerts. Go back to the main screen, and we'll see that our changes have been made. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to change backgrounds for each item in the scroll bar here, and I will also show you how to change these settings right here in a third video. Have a great night, and thanks for watching.